So we were looking for a solution to reduce the amount of cash we hold in our tills to prevent issues like till snatches and robberies and those kind of things. So we've been to a number of events and then discovered Volumatic as a solution to fill that problem. It's quite a simple solution which enables us to be able to take the money away from the till point and secure it in the CounterCache, so when customers come up they ultimately see less money within our tills. We didn't really have any issues, if I'm honest. It was very easy for us to fit the solution to our till points and start using them very quickly within our stores.
Where there is a large amount of money, it's just easy just to put it straight in there without having to divide it and then put a certain amount in the till. I could just put it all in the CounterCache.
It's really easy because it prevents me from delaying the customers in the queue, and you can put it straight into the CounterCache instead of having to open the till and delay the customers. Yeah, I feel a lot more confident because there's less money in the till, and also customers won't be able to see large amounts of money inside the till, which basically means I could just literally put it straight into the CounterCache, and it's basically a less risk of theft.
So the good thing with using a CounterCache and actually reducing the amount of money we hold in our tills is, so first of all, from an external perspective, anyone coming into the store do not see large volumes of cash within our tills, so therefore we deter incidents like robberies and till snatches that other retailers suffer. And also from an internal perspective, it creates less opportunity and less risk for staff members using the till who might decide to be dishonest from us.
Yeah, I do. I feel a lot safer having less money in the till point, and also since I've been working here I've never heard of any incidents.
So the good thing with using seals is we can maintain the accountability with the cashier by getting them to sign for their floats, and obviously all of the money that goes into that CounterCache they then don't have any access to, and it's only at the end of the night when the manager's actually cashing up the till that anyone has access to those funds. So I'd recommend a CounterCache because it's very easy to use and ultimately very easy to fit into your business, and therefore reducing your risk at your till points.